Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance. Today I'm here to show you how to eliminate the pedal lag or hesitation in your 2010 to 2015 Camaro. Now since these Camaros are drive-by-wire, there is a bit of hesitation when the throttle is applied. The JMS Pedalmax was designed to help eliminate that lag by making a few simple connections. In this kit you will get the Pedalmax Throttle Enhancer module, complete plug-and-play wiring harness, and the accessory knob that gives you full control of sensitivity for the module. Although the installation is going to be simple, we are going to have to disconnect the negative battery cable and then crawl under the dash to access the connector for the factory gas pedal. Once we find the factory connector, we will plug the Pedalmax in line and connect it to the factory pedal. While we're here, we will also connect the 12-volt input harness. This will allow for consistent power to the module. With all the connections made, we can take the module and zip tie it up out of the way to prevent any binding with the factory pedal. The red ring terminal will need to be connected to a positive battery terminal. We're going to feed the wire through the grommet on the firewall and make the connection to the terminal in the engine compartment. One of the last connections we need to make is for the accessory knob that will allow us to dial in the sensitivity of the Pedalmax from 0% to 100%. We can mount this knob in any comfortable position for easy access. For this install, we will mount it to the underside of the radio and tuck the extra wiring behind the panels. Now that we have made our connections and reconnected the battery, we can take our Camaro for a test drive. While driving, we can slowly turn the dial to experience the full functionality of the accessory knob and how the Pedalmax acts to find the perfect setting for you. There you have it, guys. Now we've taken a little bit of the hesitation or pedal lag out of our Camaro with a simple plug-and-play kit. Now, as always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.